guys, today I'm popping in to share with you my first Imperfect Produce box. Let's check out the items that I got in my box, and you guys tell me, is this stuff really worth throwing away? Hey guys, so here is my Imperfect Produce box. It was actually a bigger box than I thought. So I chose, when you go in, you can choose how much fruit and veggies you want. You can choose organic, conventional, whatever works best for your family. So I chose the amount of fruit and veggies that would feed between 6 and 8 people because I know we do a lot of meal prep, and then our kids love fruit. So so it comes with a little welcome package when it's your first box, just telling you about why this company exists and what they're doing to help reduce the waste of food. There's also a storage guide that tells you where in your fridge or your countertop or in your house you can store certain items. And then also there was a cute little card in there for like social media. So first up, I had some, I think this is the curly parsley. This is just the conventional stuff. You have the option to go in about a day and a half or 2 days before your box ships to customize the items that you want. So I did swap out a few things just to fit our family. Here I had some avocados. These are organic avocados. And the reason these were in the box because they were small. So the celery was listed as a surplus, just meaning that the farmer or the growers just had way too much, which is a big problem actually in the United States. This is some organic thyme. That was also a surplus item. And then I believe the cherry tomatoes were also. So these are just regular conventional cherry tomatoes. My husband is actually the only person who likes tomatoes in our house, but I'm hoping the avocados will coax Caden, my youngest, into some guacamole that we'll use these Roma tomatoes in. So I just got a couple Roma tomatoes just to see if he'll help me make some guacamole. We might make a video on that. And then some onions also. So these were considered ugly because they're just very small. So, and basically I'm just going to use these in meal prep. So whether I slice them for fajitas or I dice them for eggs or whatever, that I don't mind the size. Same thing with these oranges. These are tangelos, organic tangelos. I just grabbed 3 of those just for one for each kid. And then a bag of carrots. I only noticed like one of the carrots had a weird shape. The rest of them were just smaller, I guess. And then it was nice of them. They actually put these in brown paper bags. These are the multicolored fingerling potatoes. I actually love roasting these. So I didn't mind that like there was bruising or little dead spots here and there. So you just give those a good scrub. And sorry if you can hear me swallowing. Oh my gosh, I'm having like the worst cold weather breathing issues. I got 2 bags of those. So I usually just dice those up, give them a good scrub first, dice those up, salt, pepper, olive oil, and then throw those on a pan with like some carrots or something. Carrots and broccoli, roast them. And then I was really surprised. This was a giant pile of sweet potatoes. I love sweet potatoes. Me and my husband are the only ones who eat sweet potatoes, but that was everything in the box. Like, you guys, this was a ton of stuff. I got my box for $11.18 because I did have 50% off first purchase. If you use the link on my Instagram account or down below in the details, in the description, you can save $10 off of your first box as well. So I didn't measure this, but this has got to be over 11 pounds of food. So super excited about doing some meal prep, and so awesome to share this with you guys. Thanks for watching, and here's one last picture of all of the awesome fruit. See you guys later.